Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Woodness Goodness. I'm Graham. This is a slightly different video. Um, First off, I just want to say the channel, all you guys, you mean a lot to me. I know most of us don't know each other, but it feels like we kind of do. Um, you guys like what I do for some strange reason. And yeah, it's been a highlight for me for a long time. And so with that said, I want to keep you posted on my life and, something that I'm going through right now, just to, you know, just to let you know. Last week, I lost a very, very close friend of mine. His name's Daniel. A lot of you or people who are on YouTube would know of him. He has a business called Automotive Aesthetic. They've done plenty of really cool videos with Gears and Gasoline, and Daniel was one of my first clients when I moved from Canada to the States. He hired me to make a video of his business and tell his story, and we became quick friends, just due to the fact that he's such a great guy. He is a passionate guy, both about people and his work, and we just clicked, and he's been one of my best friends ever since I've been in the United States, so quite a long time now. I'm actually sitting I'm just sitting here in my workshop. I've been trying to just, clear my head while building this teardrop, and it's just very hard to do stuff, just normal stuff that you enjoy doing. I think it's because Daniel brought so much joy to my life and many, many people around him. Anyone who worked with him, anyone who had the privilege of going to school with him, being a family member, being a friend of Daniel's, have been left with a pretty big gap in their lives now that he's gone. He left a bit of a legacy behind with Automotive Aesthetic, with his, get after it mentality. We got along pretty well in that regard. And that said, I think we're going to be probably trying to raise some money to keep Automotive Aesthetic going. If that has started, I will put a link in the description below if you guys felt led to support that, by all means. Yeah, anyhow, I didn't want to make you guys all sad or anything, but I just wanted to keep you posted because, like I said, YouTube is a part of my life, and it's a part I really do enjoy doing, but I think I just have to take some time. I don't know what that looks like. I'm sitting here trying to do this because normally this is a nice way to clear my head, but I'm moving a little bit slower than usual, I think. Anyhow, Daniel, Daniel, you're gonna be missed. I miss you already. Thank you for being such a great friend, for introducing me to your life, and just allowing me to be a part of your life. The privilege was all mine, and I love you so much. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but yeah, I guess I just thought it was important that you should know that this has happened. I don't know why, but anyhow, Daniel deserves, all the love, because he did nothing but show it. And I think that's why I wanted to make this video, because he dramatically affected my life in a profound way. And it was just another reminder that people in your life are so important. And even though we live in this absolutely massive world, it's incredible how we all have met someone and have people in our lives that we couldn't do life without, or we couldn't imagine doing life without. And Daniel was one of those people. So, anyhow, do what Daniel did and love everyone around you, because it's an incredible thing, and I'm just so thankful for knowing him.